Good morning, people. GM Skywatcher. Just take a look at this man-made synthetic mess. I mean, you got the strange-looking fake chem clouds over here. These are one type. And then you have this type over here. And this is how most people continued to be fooled because of the various different types of chem clouds that these criminals have figured out how to make. But this is how the Skywatcher community also realizes that man has figured out how to make synthetic clouds. Look at this mess. Preparations for the synthetic snowstorm later on.